Excellent.
Start it up.
It's already started.
No, start it. Rev it. Rev it. Needs an exhaust. I hear a whistle. The belts are probably bad.
Oh yeah, I gotta get rid of this. Good prop. Shotguns for birthdays?
Yeah, shotguns for birthdays around here. That's how Wisconsin
does it?
Yeah.
And we're banning guns
Absolutely.
in California.
Hunting, fishing, trap shooting. I don't think anyone's been shot anytime recently.
Do you want to give yourself a little shout out for the video? Just
Hey guys, this is Dustin Porter out here at Griffin Ford in Fort Exton, Wisconsin. I got my man Travis here, just picked up a GT500 2013, only 2,000 miles on the car. It's a great car. Wish him the best of luck with it and a safe trip home to California. Thanks a lot. Take it easy.
Proceed on I-39 South.
talk about Illinois.
Wow. I never carry cash. This is dumb luck. I even had cash.
Yeah.
What do you do if you don't have cash? You just blow through, and since I don't have a license plate, then...
Apparently, you're right. Lots of bugs. Here we are in western Colorado, and the car is definitely taking on some bugs. Windshield's been cleaned about 75 times. Every time it's tough for gas. But other than that, the car's doing great. No issues. Of course, it's filthy from all the rain, but that's to be expected. But the weather here is actually pretty nice. Upper 60s, low 70s. And the sun was out a bit ago, but we may hit some rain again. But I guess back on the road. Still got a long way to go to get to San Diego. Stay tuned. Pulled over here in Utah. Let's see what this place is. It's pretty freaky. I mean, how could it be bad with that fine vehicle sitting out front? 115